What are you cooking tonight, Sharon?
Another Thai curry. I have some of the Thai paste, but the batch I made last week. It normally lasts in the fridge for a couple of weeks, so I'm using it up today. So I'm just cutting up chicken, onions, garlic, I've got pepper. That's the Thai paste.
What's the Thai paste thing?
This is lemongrass, about 30 chilies, a bit of garlic, kaffir lime leaves, oil, fish sauce.
And who made that?
I made that a couple of weeks ago, and I'm going to use the rest of it tonight. Oh, not just, oh, Jesus Christ. I just slipped in the bag. So, I'm just going to cut all this chicken up.
That's your boy? What's
He's waiting for the little scrappy bits.
Oh, scraps of the chicken.
Yeah, so like these. I know what's in there. So I'll fry all this up and we're going to have the noodles. I had planned to do chips, but there's chip on sugar.
What next, Sharon?
I'm just going to have the chicken and the ham. And then I'm just going to fry that off. I've got my wooden spoon, which is over here. It's a bit busy on this campsite. Properly.
Yeah, it's full. There's a big sign saying it's full.
Right, we'll fry that off. And then I'm going to add put it all in. It's handy, especially when you're camping, like caravan. Easy. Your own ready-made job. That was the normal shit's in it. No sugar.
So what else do you put in with there, Sharon?
Well,
So you've already put some turmeric in.
and curry paste, the Thai curry paste that I made, because there's not a lot and I thought there'd be more. I've just brought some emergency, so this is just normal curry powder. Just put it in, so it'll be a cross between a Thai and an Indian. And I've just added some cayenne pepper, a bit of bell pepper. Then we'll put the onions in, garlic, this pepper, and I've got a tin of coconut milk.
Why do you put the onions in later? And the garlic?
It's the length of time they're going to cook, because I don't want the garlic to burn, so that's going to go in last. I'm going to put the onions in now. What you can do, what some people do, is like fry the onions separate and then take them out of the pan, then add the chicken, cover that. Because we're camping, and it's easier. I'm just putting it in now. So, I'll put this down.
What's your boy? He's tired. We've been on the beach all day, haven't we?
And he knows when I'm cutting up the meat, you can see cutting it up. And he knows that he gets his little partiness. You're on washing up duty. That and that.
How was today?